On March 11, 2011, a catastrophic earthquake struck the coast of Japan, causing a massive tsunami that damaged the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant. A series of explosions released radioactive material into the air. More recently, a swollen Missouri River threatened to flood a reactor in Nebraska. Meanwhile, wildfire approached the Los Alamos Nuclear Laboratory in June. Californians want to know if they are safe from similar emergencies. The simple answer is yes, but how can we be sure? In California, there are 2 operating nuclear power plants and 2 more that have been retired but still house spent reactor fuels. We are also home to 2 of the nation's leading nuclear research facilities. It is the job of a special branch of the California Emergency Management Agency to plan, train, coordinate, and test statewide response to nuclear disasters. Coincidentally, Cal EMA's Radiological Preparedness Unit was conducting one such exercise just as the Japanese incident occurred. After months in development, this exercise brought together local response agencies along with state and federal decision makers. They tested plans and protocols as part of San Onofre Nuclear Generating Station's operating license renewal process. The drill consisted of a dress rehearsal in the 4 days immediately prior to the Japanese earthquake and a full-scale evaluated exercise graded by FEMA a few weeks later. A field test involving volunteer scientists engaged in collecting soil and water samples was also part of the process. Dealing with a simulated wind-borne radioactive plume affecting several coastal cities and a wide agricultural area, exercise participants had to quickly analyze the problem and implement response and recovery plans. Preventing contaminated products from entering the human food chain, the relocation of affected populations, transportation, and security all had to be taken into account, and the final recommendations effectively communicated to the public. The results of the exercise were encouraging to California's emergency managers. FEMA's preliminary report identified no significant issues. With increased awareness of the potential for harm, participants found renewed purpose in their mission.